Gaya ng pag-ibig sa tinubuang lupa, aling pag-ibig pa, wala na nga, wala. Ang title nun is Pag-ibig sa Tinubuang Lupa. Sino yung may akda nun? Sino? Andres Bonifacio. Ma'am, are you thinking of Andres Bonifacio?
Chat po po.
Yes, thank you very much! Palapakan natin si ma'am. Now, since you are thinking of Andres Bonifacio, I had to make sure that everything goes well this afternoon because my prediction is this, ladies and gentlemen, Andres Bonifacio. And kanino nyo pa naririnig yung kantang ito, kaya nyo inisip yung mga yun. Thank you very much, ma'am. You may sit down. Maraming salamat. Once again, I am Justin Pinion. Enjoy the rest of the afternoon.